If you think you've seen impressive hotels, wait until you discover Atlantis The Royal in Dubai. A true icon of modern architecture, this resort redefines the meaning of luxury with its exclusive suites, infinity pools, and next-level service. In this video, we'll explore everything this hotel has to offer, from its breathtaking views of the Persian Gulf to its Michelin-starred restaurants and unique experiences that only Dubai can provide. Is it worth staying here? Let's find out together. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. The hotel's link is right here on the screen in the QR code and also in the video description. Just click and check the updated prices. Let's go! Atlantis The Royal is a luxury hotel located on the iconic Palm Jumeirah in Dubai, inaugurated in February 2023. The hotel stands out for its modern and impressive architecture, designed by the renowned firm Kohn Pedersen Fox, featuring a 43-story structure composed of stacked blocks, creating a unique silhouette on Dubai's skyline. Leisure and entertainment. The resort boasts 90 pools, including the breathtaking Cloud 22, an infinity pool on the 22nd floor, offering stunning views of Dubai. Additionally, guests have access to Aquaventure, one of the largest water parks in the world, shared with its sister hotel, Atlantis The Palm. The hotel's spa takes wellness to a new level, providing luxurious treatments in an opulent setting. Accommodations. The hotel features 795 rooms and suites, all offering panoramic views of either the Persian Gulf or Palm Jumeirah. The accommodations are spacious, starting at 55 square meters, decorated in neutral tones with aquatic blue accents. The bathrooms are large, equipped with glass walls that can turn opaque at the touch of a button, ensuring privacy as needed. Is it worth staying at this hotel? This hotel redefines the concept of luxury in Dubai, offering a fusion of innovative design, world-class dining experiences, and exceptional services. If you are looking for a stay that combines supreme comfort with top-tier entertainment and luxury, this resort is a perfect choice that will surely exceed the highest expectations. And what about the price? Rates start at $505 per night, plus $119 in taxes and fees. A great value when talking about luxury and comfort. Moreover, guest reviews on Booking.com give the hotel an impressive rating of 9.2, considered fantastic. Leave a like if you enjoyed this tip, and see you next time.